fog fries, right? Like a... Welcome to the next vlog. We are now going to Tuner Evolution. So this is going to be at the Schaumburg Convention Center. So it's Tuner Evo Chicago. Sad thing is it's going to be storming all day. So it's going to be a big toss-up if that many cars even come out. Hopefully the show still continues and it's all outdoor event. So my car's all cleaned up. Richie's cleaning up his. It just got back from Premier Autosports. So they fixed it all up. Shouldn't have any more coolant issues. I'm excited to see it back. It wouldn't be a road trip with Richie without an issue on his car.
I'm not even gonna argue that.
So you're gonna start a drive to Schaumburg. It should only take about 2 hours. It's all at night, so I'm not gonna record anything, but I will see you back when we get to the hotel. So we finally made it. It only took about, what, hour and a half?
An hour and a half too long. It was rough.
It was rough. So Richie's car only sits about 2 inches, maybe 1.5, 2 inches off the ground with the carbon splitters. I'm sitting at about 3 inches off the ground, so I'm a little better off than he is, but he's flirting with trouble when he's driving in Chicago. So there's already some pretty cool cars in the parking lot. EV Garage is already here. A couple Porsches, a couple slammed Infinities. Nothing too crazy yet. I imagine this show tomorrow will be pretty crazy as long as the weather holds off. The van already made it. All right. So we're gonna get checked into the hotel. We are going to grab some dinner, maybe a couple drinks, and call it a night. Sweet caddy.
This is what John's dick looks like, and that's a little mole on the side.
A mole?
Yeah, see, look.
Alright guys, that is it for tonight. On to the next day. Good morning guys. It is the day of Tuner Evo Car Show. We are going to get this on the road. I'm gonna head down, grab some breakfast, and then we're gonna get the car and the van unloaded for the booth. Hopefully the rain holds off today, but it doesn't look too promising. I'm gonna meet John, Dalton, Richie, and Katie down for some breakfast. We're gonna get the show on the road. Some breakfast. Say hello.
Hey.
So Richie turned into a foodie.
That's the guy with the camera.
Alright guys, we are getting loaded into our cars. Look at what parked next to me. Nice M3 on air ride. Heritage wheels. Looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna have to get some bags. You guys ready?
So ready.
All right, let's get this. Just got to the check-in line. Just met up with my friend Brandon Doyster. Check him out, Doyster Media. So we're actually one of the first ones in the show. It looks like EV Garage already set up last night. Yeah, they're crazy. So we're getting the booth set up. Unfortunately, it's raining right now, so I probably shouldn't be having my camera out. But I'll record once the booth's set up. Got our booth all set up. We actually have some lights on it. Looks really good. Unfortunately, it's still gonna be raining. It looks like it's gonna be raining all day. I don't think we are going to be getting much traffic. This thing's looking good. Dustin Williams' tent is gonna be right there. Legends Media. Brandon Doyster is also part of Legends Media. Alex finally decided to show up and get out of bed. pretty sweet Liberty Walk Huracan. So the rain's finally letting up, so I'm gonna get some video of these cars.
Actually looks pretty good. It's not like too wide, but it's not too high either. It kind of like shoots it on.
The APR logo is already fading.
Don't. But hey,
What'd you do to it?
The front lift though.
So you guys are already familiar with this car.
Oh, dude, I stepped in a puddle. Fuck.
Stop for a little lunch break. Brews and pizza.
Cheers, mate.
Alright guys, the show is almost over. Probably gonna do awards soon and then head out. I am in the van right now because the music is extremely loud. Our booth is really close to it, so it's just not happening as far as video goes. Have Dalton here, just chilling. The van always serves as a great hangout spot for car shows.
Yeah, it is.
Sales are pretty decent today. It was pretty cool meeting a bunch of people, seeing old friends. It's always a good time. Hopefully next year's show is even better. It should be indoor next year. Hopefully COVID isn't even a thing. We shall see.
Yeah.
How many Volkswagen came out?
Hey. So it was a successful show. 2 people that I know, no, 3 people that I know actually got an award. So congratulations to Alex, Connor, and Mike. Mike is the super that I wrapped. So, I mean, it's basically my award, right? No, good job everyone. It was a good show. Now we're gonna head home, call it a night. It was a long one. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. And one of the first 100 subscribers does have a chance to win an Amazon Alexa show. Have a good one, guys.